Hey, this is Ivan, and here is the report for 27th of June 2018. This is Wednesday today. The day started at 7 o'clock. About 8 I was in Home Depot, bought some supplies, returned the Ryobi machine. Then I came here, then I went to pick up John from his house. And here it is what has been done. All the monitors. I start working about 1 o'clock, so this is the job. All the beams here in the back of the monitors are installed. There is a isolation here, there is isolation here, everything is connected. I bought a lot of stuff. Also the beams are positioned with brackets down there. You cannot see them, but these are the brackets. So everything is very sturdy. This, of course, here on the top there is a compartment on the top all the way through the length, all the way on the top, and then also everything has been painted black from the back side, and that's it pretty much. Also, this is how this look from the back. From the back, the monitors with the rubber. We need more light for you to see, but this is the rubber that isolates the monitor all around. And a lot of rubber here. Here the rubber is double layer, so this will go back and forth with the movement of the vehicle. And here between the monitors also there is a rubber. And anyway, so after this we went today and helped Mike to buy some stuff from Home Depot. That took us like 1 hour of our project, but I also bought some stuff, and now this has been done also today. This is electrical installation, and this is how the electricity will run here. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes on the left side where the monitors are 5 boxes, and we're gonna have probably 5 boxes. So here on this line we're gonna have 20 plugs, 20 outlets for electricity, and on the other side we'll have also 20. This will be like 40 outlets. Also we're gonna have something like this, you know, thing that can take 10, and that's it pretty much how this electricity will run. From here, from the last box, this will come right here where will be the main box, and of course from the main box this will run out of the van. On the left side here, on this side, will be this Honda generator. This Honda generator will be right here in a special box, and from here it will go directly. There will be a special switch here that will just turn on the switch, and the electricity will run all inside the vehicle. And that is it. John coming here to pose.
Right. The famous John right here, you know what I'm saying, the subcontractor, dealing with the architect, and you see what we're doing.
Okay, and it actually looked pretty decent. It's not that bad. Everything it looks very professionally, it's very well done, and also very sturdy, and also these things are in such a way done so we can remove them from time to time and clean the monitors from within. There will be no dust because everything is very well dust-free and isolated. But anyway, from time to time we can remove them, make a maintenance, or replace them with other monitors. And that has been basically the job today. We also organized the tools and the instruments and clean up some of the equipment. So it has been quite a day. And here is the look of the vehicle. It's actually a pretty big vehicle, and in the next week, tomorrow June 28th, Thursday, we have to pass the inspection. So no matter what, we have to pass the inspection somehow. And after that, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, it will be full force. Once the electricity is running here, then it will be the most important part to start lining up computers, printers, and to actually design a very good workspace in a way so one person can serve all the printers. They will be about 15 printers minimum, all will serve different purposes, and they will be also places for the merchandise to stay, like a storage. And we do not know yet quite where everything will be, but definitely one rule has to be followed. First of all, it has to be assembly line. So when the person does the job, for example, here the printers are printing, then the t-shirt press, and then out the door, or something like this. So everything has to be designed in a way to save time and save space and be very ergonomic in a way to work. In other words, we need to create a workflow here. We need to create a cycle of where the information will come through, where the printers will be printing, where the storage will be, and how. It has to be like assembly line where the person can serve. One printer, two printers, so probably the printers will be on the one side, then it will be the t-shirt presses, and then after the t-shirt presses, it's going to be the a table that he will put all kinds of merchandise together in a bag, to go out of the vehicle, out of the shop. So that's it pretty much. Yes. Yes. And also additional lights has to be installed on the ceiling. So far we don't have, but I'm gonna install the lights tomorrow. So tomorrow the plan is to make the inspection and to make the electrical system work, and to start creating a workflow, to start setting up equipment. Probably there will be also beams, metal beams installed, because some of the printers are extremely heavy and they have to be put in a very special foundations. If not, we don't want printers on the floor. Maybe this height here, it's good, but I believe that the printer should be a little bit higher. Everything should be on the level of the waist. So the other person, so the person that works here should not be bending and should not be reaching too high. That is the idea. So everything, the printer should be on the line, on the waistline somewhere. Like this big printer is here. In other words, everything has to be moved up a little bit, put in the shelves. On the other side, it will be also on the top, it will be a storage shelf, such as here. Here will be staying the rolls of paper, frames, and other small stuff, and also whatever items we have, like a merchandise. You know, they will be all aligned here. Here in the empty spaces under the monitors will create like a little shelves for merchandise, so they can be very accessible and very easy to reach. And that's it pretty much for today. This is our yard, and some of the equipments of course are outside. So now we're going to move everything. It's raining, and tomorrow back to business.